everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my office. And today I have this. It's the Neweer and it's a microphone stand. So I got this. Right now I'm currently using this microphone, but I do have another microphone in Florida that I need to bring back so I can use that. But it's got a microphone suspension and scissor stand mount. Maybe I'll even use this to put my camera on. But let's check this thing out and what it looks like. I saw it was on sale. It was like some sort of 50% off deal. And I'm like, okay, I could use something like that. So let's check it out. See what it comes with. Comes with all sorts of stuff. Okie doke. So the box, it's empty. And here's the little instruction manual here, which is microphone stand. And then here's all the instructions right there. And there. And customer service. If you need them, you can just screenshot this and give them a call. Okay, so let's check out what we got here. So this is the spring-loaded stand here. So there you go. So it goes like that. You can open it up and you can tighten it into position somewhere. So that's kind of nice. And then it's got the different mounts here. So let's see how it mounts. So this one here. So we got your one. So this one here is the clamp to clamp it onto the table. I do have a table here. My table is wider than that now. I'm going to try it out. I'll lower this. Maybe you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, there we go. This happens to be a pretty thick table. Okay, so if I was to clamp it on, there, it's almost clamped on. There, clamped on now. And then I could put this into the spot. And then we have here, this is going to be the microphone mount part of it. So this is what's going to screw onto. Sorry, you guys can't even see it. So you can see, you can have it like this, and then you have your microphone in there. So I could be talking in a microphone here if I actually had one. Now what is this? I guess this is I'm not sure what this piece is for. Is that to put around this maybe? No. Let's see. Oh, it's just if you have a different type of, the wrong size, you could always screw it in to some other holder and then have it be the right size. It's just an adapter. So that's it. And then it comes with 4 of these little Velcro straps to strap the wire up and around this thing, but it's pretty nice. So this is going to do what I need it to do, and for the price, it's good. It seems pretty durable. I mean, it's falling off my table because I don't have it screwed in all the way, but I like it. So I'm going to say thumbs up from me. I'm going to put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. I got it from Amazon, but go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.